Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently September 29th. We took two trades today. This first trade was a losing trade, and then the second trade was a winning trade right here. We are ending the day about profit of $110 on each account. Not much, but still a winning day overall, and green is green. The second trade did fully play out to TP2, which my TP2 was all the way down here. This would have been an insane trade if I let this run, but I went break even as soon as we hit TP1, stopped at a break even, or I closed a little bit early. I closed as soon as we had versus 1 minute, and then it dumped eventually, never came to full stop loss. Stop loss was at these highs originally, and it never came there. So would have been a banger trade, but it's still a good trade overall, I think. And this first trade was also, I feel like, a good trade. We just wanted that one more manipulation, like tap into this 4-hour fair value gap before we go lower. But this first trade was based off just an SMT here. We were coming out of... Were we coming out of a fair value gap? No, we weren't coming out of fair value gap, but we were sweeping out all these highs here. And I honestly just anticipated this to go lower today. I had a strong draw lower to this 4-hour fair value gap. We were so bullish, so market open came up, manipulated up. We market structure shift to the upside. We swept out all those highs. After that, I just wanted to see some sort of reversal here. So we had these 5-minute fair value gaps in here that I was targeting. I did not see this first 5-minute fair value gap here originally, but I saw the second 5-minute fair value gap right here. So this was my first target for TP1 on this first trade and the second trade. TP1 was this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and we entered on a change of state delivery after this massive manipulation, like at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock opened higher. This was the news candle, swept out these highs, put in the SMT here, sold off, and we got the CISD, a very nice bearish candle closure below these lows here. I thought this was going to be the sell-off right here. TP1 was this 5-minute here, so this was break even here. Or no, this wasn't break even. We didn't go break even on this. Break even was TP1, which was these lows here. I did not see this 5-minute here at the time, but we just came down, swept out these lows to push price back higher to mitigate this 4-hour fair value gap that we tapped into right here. A little tiny 4-hour fair value gap right here. Tapped into that 4-hour fair value gap. After that, I was definitely bearish for sure. So all I waited for was we got a 1-minute inversion to the downside right here. Broke structure right here. Came back up, entered short, stops was above these highs. Targeting these lows this time, not the 5-minute fair value gap. Hit these lows and then inversed a 1 back to the upside right here. So I closed my position fully. If I kept my original stop, I wouldn't have been stopped out, but I probably at least would break even on this. And I expected just to flush through this 1-minute fair value gap, or at least this 1-minute fair value gap, but we never got that. Came up, stops people out at break even, and then slow chop down right here until 11 o'clock, and then 11 o'clock we just dumped. And that's what I wanted. This was 11 o'clock move. I wanted this 11 o'clock move right here. That would have been very nice, but that's not what happened. But we still ended the day green, up $100. Honestly, could have waited for a better setup, but I'm still happy with this setup. I'm happy more with the second setup than this first setup. This first setup, there was no inversion fair value gap, and we weren't coming out of a higher time frame PD array. We were just honestly guessing the reversal was going to be here because ES was so bearish, man. And I was also coming into 10 a.m., so I thought the 10 a.m. reversal would have happened right here, but we never got that. Stopped out. I minimized my risk very quickly on this. My original stop was at these highs. As soon as we got this break lower, as soon as we came here, that's when I moved it to here. So I didn't go break even on this, but I minimized my risk as soon as we broke down. Broke this low here, I went, tried my stop to here. I did not want to see it come back up to here, but we just swept out these lows to go higher. But that's going to be it for this trade recap. Very simple trades. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Up $100 on the day, as you guys can see right here. My accounts are in a great position still. I just got approved for that payout on this top account, $500, so that should hit my account tomorrow. And then all the other accounts are slowly building. You guys can see the profits, top left or top right, up 1100 on this one. We just got to keep building these accounts, keep trusting the process, and take better trades. And honestly, just let my runners run, because if we let runners run, we could catch bagger trades in only a couple days, and we'll get another payout. But it is what it is. Beautiful trades today, or beautiful second trade today. End of the day green. That's all that matters, I guess. And there was a learning lesson today as well. Just wait for higher time frame PDO ready to be tapped in, so we don't need to rush into this trade here. This was a little bit impulsive. We could have waited for that one manipulation leg, tapped in that 4 hour, and then if I just took this, I would have made about 200 bucks instead of 100. Where I lost 65 on this first trade, I would have made like 175 on the second trade. But it is what it is. We learn from our mistakes and we move forward. Just gotta stay more patient, honestly. I feel like that's the thing I've been struggling with, is patience and FOMOing into trades, because I don't want to miss the move. But just gotta work on that and keep improving every single day. But that's gonna be it for this trade recap. Make sure you like and subscribe. Use code Zach on Apex, 80% off all accounts. And then join the Discord down below. The Discord, I think Travis might have took a loss today. Soy sauce took a small loss today, it looks like. Or he might have hit TP1 and then stopped out. Negative 150 after partials. Travis took a small loss today. He was long. He hit TP1 and then stopped out. But that's going to be it for this trade recap. Peace out, y'all. Hopefully y'all like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade.